Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your WhatsApp keeps freezing, closing unexpectedly, or crashing as soon as you open it on your Android phone, it is usually caused by corrupted temporary files or outdated software. I will show you exactly how to fix this annoying issue right now without losing any of your chats. Let's get started. First, we need to clear out any corrupted background data that might be causing the application to hang. Open your Android phone's main Settings app and scroll down to the Apps or App Management section. Find and tap on WhatsApp from the list of your installed applications. Tap the Force Stop button to completely halt the app. Next, tap on Storage and Cache or Storage Usage, and then simply tap Clear Cache. Be very careful that you do not tap Clear Data or Clear Storage, as that will delete your message history. This cache wipe just removes the temporary junk files safely. Next, app crashes are frequently caused by known bugs in older versions that have already been patched by the developers. Open your Google Play Store app, tap the search bar at the top and type in WhatsApp. Tap on the official WhatsApp Messenger application in the search results. If it sees a green Update button, tap it immediately to install the latest stable version. If it just says Open, your app is already fully up to date and you can move right along to the final troubleshooting step. Finally, WhatsApp requires a decent amount of free storage space to process new messages and media, so running completely out of room will force it to crash instantly. Open your Android Settings app again and look for the Storage or Device Care menu. Check your available space. If your phone is almost entirely full, you need to delete some old videos, unused apps, or large downloaded files to free up at least a gigabyte of space. Once you have enough room, restart your phone completely and WhatsApp should launch smoothly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.